I'm Dr. Tony Soileau, and if you're like me, there's nothing I enjoy more than being at the hunting camp, sitting in my duck blind or sitting up in my deer stand, hoping for a great hunt. But if you're also like me, you've had the displeasure of being at the camp where someone is snoring, maybe it's yourself, maybe it's someone else, or you've had a problem with trying to sleep next to the guy who just won't quit snoring. Well, in these videos, I'd like to explain to you what is snoring, how does it lead to sleep apnea, and what can be done about it.